good morning. Smart office, how may I help you?
Hello, good morning. Could you please give me some information about Mr. Brown's schedule?
Certainly today is Tuesday and Mr. Brown has a full agenda. He has a meeting at 10 a.m., a conference call at 12:30 p.m., and he will out of the office for appointments all afternoon.
Yes, please. Could you tell him that Jonathan called?
Sir, may I have your phone number, please?
Yes, it's 555-234-9813.
Perfect. I will make sure I receive your message.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day. You reached the voicemail of Mr. Brown. Please leave it, your name, number, and short message after tone B.
Another important telephone skill is spelling information clearly. We use the spelling code to avoid confusion. Example: my mail is Luis as my boat com. L as Lima, U as uniform, E as India, as in Sierra.